Within 20 years, Boulton's business grew from button and buckle making into a powerful and diverse enterprise. His reputation for fine quality was second to none, and before long he was serving King George III.
Amongst the most desirable of objects were pieces like these, where you have a mixture of materials, actually gilt bronze and blue Jaune. Now, blue Jaune is only mined in one place in the world, in Derbyshire. Hacked out of the ground in rough blocks, this fluorspar was mounted by Boulton carefully onto lathes and then gently turned and formed into this shape. And then the polishing process would take place. Extremely difficult to turn because you can see the coloured stone is full of fractures and there would have been a lot of failures. In fact, the joke is that blue Jaune is difficult to hollow out, and actually the cavity inside each of these wine ewers is only about 1.5 inches deep. You'd never have used them for pouring wine, and therefore their purpose is strictly ornamental. Boulton's tour de force with these vases was the application of crisp gilt bronze work. If you look at this substance, it's basically bronze, which is made of copper and tin. But then it's been plated with this gold-like material. It looks like solid gold. In fact, the gold finish is ormolu. Literally ground up little pieces of gold mixed with mercury, shoved into a chamois leather bag and squeezed so that the mercury is removed, and then the resulting paste applied to the metal mounts and then heated. That in turn is then burnished using a burnishing stone, usually a dog's tooth, where you get this exquisite contrast between the rough and the smooth, the shiny and the matte. Fit for a king? Certainly. The big question is, have our teams found any goods that are fit for a king over at the auction?